Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to Burlington to check out a store. It's a bit of a drive, but the online reviews are great. So let's see how it goes. Today we're at Torchlight Games and Hobbies. It's my first time here, and just looking at this, I can see why people say this store is massive. I don't even know where to start, so let's just begin from the entrance. Right away after you enter the store, you'll see the shelf area on your left. This is the Warhammer section. I don't know anything about it, but it's kind of cool to check out. Don't go anywhere if Warhammer isn't your thing. We'll be getting to the Gunpla and plastic model in a bit. And a whole bunch of miniatures. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are just part of the Warhammer game, right? They have a lot of dice here, and they're so colorful. It's my first time seeing a store carry that many. And here's the paint section. They carry pretty much everything you could need: acrylics, enamel, lacquers, oils, even aerosol sprays. Brands like AK Interactive, Vallejo, Army Painter, Citadel, TurboDoc, Duncan Rolls, and more. Plus all the extra like pigments, thinners, primers, and everything to keep your models looking great. And welcome to the Gunpla session. A huge selection of kits here. I don't know if my wallet's ready for this. MGSD is my favorite Gundam scale now. You would think this store is mostly Warhammers and minis, but no, they've got lots of Gunplas and plastic models, and that's why I'm here. Huge variety of mecha and model kits like 30-minute series, Kotobukiya models, Transformers, Pokemon, Girl and Anime, and so many more. They also carry figures like Good Smile Company, Figma, and Nandaros, and honestly, way too many to name. This statue looks super real. It's gonna freak me out at night if I put this at home. They've got card games, board games, and RPGs. Tons of basing and diorama. They carry a full airbrush setup. These are the build tables. You can come here anytime and build for free. Not sure if you noticed, but I've got two different outfits in this video. That's because I went back to the store twice. One day just wasn't enough to see everything. This is the paint room. They offer small airbrushing workshops for up to 3 people, perfect for beginners or experienced painters. You'll get one-on-one guidance and learn smooth fades, clean blends, and better airbrush control. More info on the official website. Hey, let's go check out the game hall. It's busy every weekend. Gundam Build Day on Saturdays, miniature painting, and battle tag on Sundays, plus other events planned throughout the year. Check out the website for the schedule.
It looks like we're in a cafe, but we're actually in the store.
Thanks so much to David for the amazing poutine and sandwiches. We were starving. What I love about Torchlight Games and Hobbies is you don't need to bring your own food or drinks if you're spending the day here.
Hi, this is David from Torchlight Games and Hobbies. We've been operating here in Burlington, Ontario since 2018. This is the 3rd place that we've opened up, and I'm standing currently in our game hall, the biggest room at Torchlight. This really is a place to bring the community together. That's always been our dream, for people to come together and hobby and game and share in everything together. So at our 3rd location here, our game hall is about 4,500 square feet. We can fit 100 people here. We run events all the time, especially on weekends. We do our Warhammer tournaments, we do Gundam build days, we do card tournaments on Fridays, and we've also just put in a new kitchen, so you can spend all day here. So if you're in the area, we really hope you come by and check out Torchlight. We're here in Burlington and we're open 7 days a week. Thanks.
It's only Wednesday, and people are already playing in the game hall.
All these artworks you see right now in the display are painted by the Torchlight staff and communities.
I was looking for this MGSD Gundam area everywhere and found them fully stocked on our first visit, but they were all gone the second time we came back. Had such a fun, long day at Torchlight Games and Hobbies. Thanks for having us. If you're ever in Burlington, you've got to check this place out. It's one of the largest hobby store I've ever visited. See you guys in the next one.